Hi everyone, I'm Reena Kosa and today I am here at Royaloak store. रमज़ान एक बहुत ही खास और पाक महीना है। पाक महीने में हम एक ज़रूरतमंद की मदद, एक दूसरे की हेल्प और बहुत सारी इबादत करते हैं। In this holy month, to celebrate the joy of Eid, I choose Royaloak, which is India's #1 furniture store. They have international collection imported from over 7 different countries. Still have unbeatable prices. Widest range of products, everything from sofa, bed, TV unit, tables, chairs, wardrobe and many more. They offer 1-year manufacturing defect warranty, free delivery, installation plus financial options. So what are you waiting for? You can check out their website and you can visit their store too. Are you still thinking what to give as Eid? Come on, check out Royaloak store.